Ever wondered what multi-factor authentication, or MFA, is all about? You've probably seen it when logging into your email or banking app. It's that extra step after you enter your password. Today, we're going to break down exactly how it works and why it is so crucial for your online security. Let's dive in. Imagine you're logging into an account. You type in your username and password. But here's the problem. What if someone steals that password? A hacker could easily gain access to your sensitive information. This is why just using a password, which is a single factor of authentication, isn't enough to keep your accounts truly safe. Passwords can be guessed, stolen, or leaked in data breaches. This is where multi-factor authentication comes in. MFA adds extra layers of security by requiring you to prove your identity in more than one way. It's based on three core concepts. First, something you know, which is typically your password. Second, something you have, like your smartphone or a special security key. And third, something you are, which could be your fingerprint or face. By combining at least two of these factors, MFA makes it incredibly difficult for anyone but you to access your accounts. So what does this look like in practice? Let's walk through a typical MFA login. First, you enter your username and password, just like you normally would. The system recognizes your password is correct, but instead of logging you in immediately, it sends a verification request. This request goes to the second factor you've set up, usually your phone. You might receive a notification asking you to approve the login, or you might need to enter a one-time code from an authenticator app. Once you approve the request or enter the code, the system verifies your second factor. With both factors confirmed, you get a green check mark and you're securely logged in. There are several common ways to use MFA, and you've likely encountered some of them. The simplest is an SMS code, where a unique code is texted to your phone. A more secure method is using an authenticator app, like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator, which generates a new time-sensitive code every 30 seconds. Push notifications are even easier. You just tap Approve on a notification that pops up on your device. And finally, biometric methods like fingerprint or facial scans offer a quick and highly secure way to verify it's really you. So, why is all this so important? Simply put, MFA is one of the most effective ways to prevent account takeovers. Even if a hacker manages to steal your password, they want to be able to get past the second authentication step without having your phone or your fingerprint. This protects your personal email, your cloud storage, and critical company data. For businesses using platforms like Microsoft 365 or other cloud services, enabling MFA is an absolutely essential security measure. In today's digital world, strong security isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a necessity. By adding that extra layer of defense, multi-factor authentication means stronger security and significantly less risk for you and your data. It's a simple step that makes a huge difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials on IT and cybersecurity. Stay safe out there.